Hello guys, welcome to English with Kornel. I'm an English teacher and I want to teach you English. In today's class, we are going to learn 10 words related to cleaning. Let's clean up your English. Bleach, brush, dustpan, mop, bucket, cloth, bin, laundry basket, iron, ironing board, bleach. I use bleach to clean the toilet. Brush and dustpan. A brush is for sweeping the floor and a dustpan is for collecting the dust. Mop and bucket. A mop is for mopping the floor and a bucket is for holding the water. Cloth. I wipe the table with a cloth. Bin. A bin is where we put rubbish. Laundry basket. I put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Iron and ironing board. I iron my clothes on the ironing board.
My cleaning day. First, I sweep the floor with a brush and pick up the dust with a dustpan. Then, I fill the bucket with warm water and use the mop to clean the kitchen floor. I take a cloth and wipe the table. After that, I put all the rubbish in the bin. I put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. In the bathroom, I use bleach to clean the toilet and the sink. Finally, I iron my clothes on the ironing board. Now the house is clean and fresh. Can you name all of these in 30 seconds?
Okay, so first, memorize the 10 words. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and watch my other videos to learn more easy English with Kornel.